In this video, we're going to learn how to use Bootstrap to create alert messages. Alert messages, they will allow us to display some information to the user, such as a warning or a confirmation message saying that something happened successfully. So let's go ahead and create a couple of examples. So first example, we're going to create a div. Okay, let's place some content in it. Warning, your unsaved data was lost. Okay, so let's give it an ID, alert1, and also we'll need to give it a class of alerts. Okay, and we can style it using alerts minus sign followed by a state. So let's go for a warning state for this one. All right. Then we'll need to create a close button. So we'll place it just before text so that it appears at the top. So the button is going to be, that's going to be a link. Okay, so let's use an HTML entity to create the close button. So that's going to be times, and then we're going to give it a class of close. And also, to build the closing functionality, we'll use a data dismiss attribute, and we'll set that to alert. Okay, so let's save. If we refresh the page and we click on the button, you can see that's the alert message disappears. Okay, so let's create a second example. Let's give it an ID alert2, and this time we want to have a confirmation message: success file uploaded successfully. Just copy that. And let's change the style. So we want to go for a success state. All right. Okay, let's change the style of the. Let's make these couple of words bold. So we're gonna place this inside the strong tags, and the same thing for success. Okay. There are some events linked to the alerts plugin. So let's explore a few of them. So let's write a script. So we're gonna write some jQuery statements. Okay. So for example, we can send alert message when an alert message is closed. Okay. So let's access the alert message first, or we can access all the alert messages using the class alert. And then we'll use the on method. So the event is going to be closed .ps.alert. Okay. So the this event means that the alert message is closed. Okay, has already been closed. If you use the close.bs.alerts, this one will fire the function when the close instance is called. So once you click on the button, then we will execute the function, and then the alert message will disappear. Well, let's go for closed for now. So we want to run the function once the alert message is closed. Okay, so let's write a function that will send an alert message saying alert message closed. Okay, let's save and then refresh the page. So now if we close one of these alert messages, so we can see the alert message there. Okay, we can use the alerts method to close an alerts message. Okay, so let's for example, let's close the first alert message. So we're going to access the alert message using its ID of alert1, and then we'll use the alert method, and we're going to give it a parameter of close. So now you will see that when the page loads, the first alert message is going to get closed. So let's refresh the page. Here we go. So it has been closed, and also we fired the alert message as it has been closed.